Hi everyone, how are you all? Hope everybody is fine. And today we are going to see a poem that is The Squirrel. The Squirrel poem is one of the interesting poems of 7th class NCERT English textbook. Students, you see the Squirrel poem. When I heard this title, the Squirrel poem about squirrel, I felt very happy because I remembered my childhood days. Because I played with the squirrels during my childhood days. So, how is its lifestyle? How I played with the squirrel, I remembered. See, when we are playing during our childhood on the trees, some kind of game, and it is on the tree. So, when I read this story, I felt very happy. So, in our story, there is a poet. His name is Mildred Bowers Armstrong, the squirrel writer. He remembers his childhood days. Poet remember his childhood days. What is his childhood days? How he spent his childhood days? There is a one banyan tree in his garden. So in the garden, in his banyan tree, how he spent. There are so many birds are there taking shelter on the banyan tree, and there is also a squirrel. Poet remembered how he played with the squirrel. So see on the display, one picture is there. Those who do not have the textbooks, I put here one slide of the squirrel poem exactly from our NCRT textbook CBSE syllabus. The squirrel. You might have seen a squirrel sitting on the ground eating nuts. What did it look like? Here is a poet's description of just such a squirrel. Sometimes when we see the squirrel, something that comes to our mind. What has come to the mind of a poet? So generally, we can notice that squirrels are sitting on the ground and eating nuts. Most of the time, they stay on the trees. Yes or no, students? Yes, very good. Now you see its abstract quality. What is that abstract quality? Squirrels are members of the families screw family of Sciuridae or Sciuridae. We can also pronounce Sciuridae. Squirrels belongs to the rodents. As you know, they small and funny animals live in the wild. Squirrels are also found in Asia, Europe, and America. It's also found in Africa, but with different spaces. Squirrels live in trees and they build their nets from the branches of the trees, then they cover them by leaves. And also their characteristics when we see students, squirrel typically have slender bodies with bushy tails and large eyes. Their fur is soft and silky. The color of the squirrel is highly variable between species. The hind legs are longer than and four limbs, and they have 4 or 5 toes on each paw. Squirrel is characterized by the ability to plan and collect food busily. Students, you can find these squirrels always been busy. For what in busy, they will collect food, and it's always try to eat something, nuts and all. It will find. And also, when it was on the tree during time of sleep, it covers with leaves. So these leaves are no, it covers with leaves, and so that nobody can see. So squirrels are such a intelligent animals, and also देखने के लिए हमको मजाक लगता है, मीन्स वी कैन सी एंड एंजॉय them. That is one quality. And how they feed? Squirrels cannot digest cellulose, so they must also rely on the food rice in protein, carbohydrates, and fat. Squirrels feed on nuts, oak and fruits. What kind of oak fruits and eat the eggs and chicks of birds' nests. These are all some there are eating animals. Again, squirrels are victims of the birds of the prey and snakes and foxes. And because otherwise, what happens? Children, these foxes they also catch and eat the squirrels, and snakes also can bite and eat the squirrel, and also some of the birds like eagle and some of the big birds who can catch and kill them with their beak. So this is also one quality and one dangerous for them. And their lifestyle, if you see, squirrels breed once or twice a year and give birth to a very varying number of young after 3 to 6 weeks, depending on species. The mother looks after its squirrels until they grow and be 10 weeks old. The squirrels can live from 10 to 20 years. See, students, their lifespan is also too much. And see in the picture, the mother squirrel given birth to many baby squirrels. So it also take cares, means it has the quality of motherly quality it has. Great thing, children. So this is something about a squirrel that we have discussed. And shall we see the poem now? So I would like to read out the poem for you. It's a small poem. I'll like to read out the poem for you. After reading a poem, please read by yourselves. That is, again you try to listen the poem and read by yourselves so that you will understand easily. He wore a question mark for a tail and wore coat of grey. He sat up straight to eat a nut. He liked to tease and play. And if we ran around his tree, he went the other way. See, children, he wore a question mark for tail and wore coat of grey. I already said before in the introduction of this squirrel, and you have seen in the picture also, the color of the squirrel is grey. So why it is calling as an overcoat of grey? It is wearing a overcoat of grey. That is also, you see, its body, because of its body. Let us see the first line. Who wore a question mark of tail? Students, can you answer? Squirrel. He means squirrel here. Squirrel or a question mark of tail. We can see that a shape of the squirrel's tail is like a question mark. Students, you can observe in the carefully. After writing a question, we put a question mark, na? Like that, here also in the picture you see the tail of the squirrel is like a question mark. You see at a time, why it is putting like a question mark? Poet is thinking when he looked the squirrel, poet is thinking why the squirrel's tail is question mark. Means it is something to think. Children, you see, many times in our study life, in our school life, we put a question mark face. See, our face, many times we put a question mark. If teacher asks, where is your homework? Question mark face. Where is your classwork? Question mark face. Can you answer for this question? Question mark face. Do you want to play in the ground? Question mark place. Why did you come late to study? Question mark place. Can you solve this sum? Question mark face. Yes or no, children? See, many times in our school life or in our classroom life, we put a question mark face. Students, question mark face means it shows something uncertainty in life. Means something that we are not doing hard work. For example, when we don't do hard work, you have not completed homework means generally next day we have to be in a question mark face in our classroom. So therefore, he wore a means squirrel is challenging us. I am my tail is like a question mark tail. It's like my tail is like a question mark. Is your mind is like a question mark? or with a full of knowledge? So it is asking, squirrel is asking us a question. So therefore, can you answer? So now you think whether your mind is or your face is in question mark, or it is a full of, or it's with a full of knowledge. So therefore, children, be which is good, putting a question mark face or question mark or blank mark face is good, or being a full of knowledge and being sharp, active like a squirrel is good. Which is good, children? So therefore, that's why that line says he wore a question mark for tail. So therefore, you see in the picture also, children, question mark clearly we can see in the picture. So let us not put any question marks in our life. Let us not put any question mark face in the classroom. So what we have to do early. See, introduction we have seen one line that it's always try to gather its food. Squirrel is Squirrel won't waste any time. It's always busy to gather its food. So therefore, children, can you be busy? Are you busy in gathering something? So in what we have to busy? We have to busy in gathering our knowledge. Like a squirrel is trying to gather its food, we have to be busy in gathering our wisdom, knowledge and intelligence. So next line, an overcoat of grey, means if we look into the squirrel's back, okay, backside, we can see strips on it. Means strips means, you know, no, see in the picture backside clearly we can see in the picture. Please see in the picture. Everybody focus on the picture, please. And it seems like it is wearing a coat which is in grey color, grey in color. That backside strips, that grey and white color strips are poet compared the fury strips of grey color lines. Poet compared it as coat, means when we wear the coat, how is it like that? It's coat, means it's a shirt, like we wear shirt na, school shirt, like that. So he sat up straight to eat a nut. If you see the squirrel, it's always sit straight when it is eating. Please observe, children. You see in the picture also, squirrel is very clever and interesting animal, and it's always sit straight when it eats nuts and fruits. And it loves to eat the nuts. Mainly, it loves to eat the nuts. See in the picture, children, like that. So he sat up straight to eat a nut. So when we do some work, we have to be straight in our life. Means we have to be very straightforward and do it perfectly. As I said earlier, it is always busy to gather its food. We should be busy to gather our knowledge and wisdom in straight, means by doing hard work, like that you see in the picture. And you see here in this picture, the squirrel is trying to eat nuts. You see, when it is gathering, it's bending, and when it is eating, it's sat straight and it is eating. Under the trees, it is gathering its food. You can see. And one more picture you can see here, that is squirrel is drinking. Okay, it's a funny picture, and one or something like for you, forever to create interest in you. Hope you are following. Next, he likes to tease and play. Who likes to tease and play? Poet. I said no, poet. Poet, when he was a boy, he always go to his banyan tree, and squirrel is going up and down and trying to gather its food from fruits and nuts and all. This fellow, our poet, he went there, where the squirrel was there. So the squirrel is a friendly, basically the squirrel is a friendly animal, okay. It sometimes teases us. If we try to go near, it acts like it is playing with us. So therefore, poet went near to squirrel. What squirrel did, you know? It jumped, and it immediately jumped and went up to the tree. And again it came down, and again it went. Means it is teasing. The poet is teasing, and as well as he is also playing with the squirrel. Not only poet teasing the squirrel, squirrel also teasing the poet. Try to understand here. He likes to tease and play means he means here a poet. Poet likes to tease and play with the squirrel, and as well as squirrel also tease and play with the poet. That is one thing. Why? Because squirrel is a friendly animal, and squirrel also try to protect from the other animals. I said like a snake and other kind of big birds, and also fox. Fox also can catch and eat it. And you see here, children, dog is chasing squirrel, and squirrel is chasing okay, chasing a dog. Means they both are playing each other. That is teasing each other. Dog teasing squirrel. You see that? Squirrel also teasing dog. And I also said squirrel is a friendly animal. The best example is you see there one woman, okay, one lady is giving some nuts to squirrel. Squirrel was standing in its back legs, okay, and then it is trying to catch the nuts that woman is dropping, and that two other persons are standing there and watching. You see carefully. Mainly wherever the trees are there, that is wherever the nuts are there, we can find the squirrel. And last line, and if we ran around his tree, he went the other way. Poet, what he did, poet wants to catch it. Can we catch it? No, it runs and runs and runs. If we run to catch a squirrel, it is very difficult because we cannot catch it. The moment we step in, the squirrel runs away. The moment we step in, the squirrel runs away. So it is very difficult. It runs very fast and keeps on teasing us and keeps on teasing us. And as I said first, it is written there, he teased. Who? Poet tried to tease the squirrel, but whereas squirrel as well as squirrel also teases the poet. They both are playing each other. So students, this is the poem of the squirrel. So squirrel is a friendly animal. We can play with it. We can play a game with it, and we can tease it, and we can enjoy. And try to see the poem once again. Here poem is displayed. Try to read it again and try to listen the video and audio again. Okay, students. And I put you some worksheet here. With a few questions. Try to answer this worksheet and try to read the questions as well as the answers also. Who tried to tease and play? Who like to tease and play? And where is the squirrel lives? Okay. Who wore the question mark for a tail? And who are the dangerous who are the some dangerous prize that can hunt the squirrels? Okay. And does what family does it belongs to? So these are all the questions you have to answer. Why did the poet say the squirrels were squirrels wore the question mark for tail? Draw the picture. You also, children, try to draw the picture. We usually say that the animals wear a tail. Here do we say, then why we say it is wearing a tail? Means it is a okay, the tail is like a question mark. Answer is given there clearly. Student, try to answer the question so that you will understand very effectively. Okay, students, try to answer the worksheet also, and also try to read the poem once and once again so that you will understand. And give me a like and also comment. Thank you.